The Hair Supporters is the complete professional system that works on the well-being of the scalp, on the strength of the hair, and on the performance of the product. During any salon service, relax and color the hair, bleach it, shape it. Let us take care of the hair and scalp. Scalp Protector is the serum that protects the skin for invaluable comfort during hair services. The soothing active ingredients contained in the product provide relief and alleviate discomfort and tingling sensations. Use it on anyone suffering from tingling during the technical services, and always use it when bleaching on the scalp. You can apply the vial directly onto the scalp 5 minutes before any technical service, or add 1 vial to the color or bleach mixture with 60 grams of color or bleach mixture. Bond Rebuilder helps preserve the hair fiber in an extraordinary way. It reduces any damage or breakage, preserves the internal bonds, and makes the hair more resistant and radiant. The Quaternized Biomimetic Keratin recognizes damaged areas and intervenes by perfectly replicating the amino acid sequence present in healthy hair. To be used always when you are bleaching. In the case of damaged or very dry hair when coloring. In the case of damaged or very dry hair during shaping services. When bleaching, mix the powder with the activator as normal. Add 10 grams of Bond Rebuilder, 1 syringe, for every 30 grams of bleaching powder used. Blend and apply as you usually do. When coloring, Bond Rebuilder is only added in the coloring mixture for the lengths and tips. Mix the coloring cream with the activator. Add 10 grams of Bond Rebuilder, 1 syringe, for every 30 grams of coloring powder used. During the shaping services, add 10 grams of Bond Rebuilder, 1 syringe, for every 60 millimeters of Lisé Design Smoothing Fluid or Hydra Texture Movement used. Mix together and apply. For a hair restructuring service, apply Bond Rebuilder on its own onto washed and towel-dried hair. Dry it or leave it under a heat source for 10 minutes. Then rinse. Scalp and Fiber Restore is the fluid that helps to restore the normal pH of the scalp, which is altered by the technical services, and the correct balance of the fiber. It carries out a cosmetic action on the hair by sealing the cuticles and providing nourishment and radiance. With mint essential oil for a fresh effect and lactic acid to restore the normal pH level, the result, shiny hair. Always use it after coloring or bleaching and after a permanent or semi-permanent waving service. Apply it directly onto the scalp, working section by section. Massage and distribute the product from root to tip using a comb. Leave to work for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse and begin styling. Let us take care of your customer's hair and scalp so you can relax and color, bleach and shape it as many times as you want.